Hey guys, what's up? Ooh, hey messy hair. Kippy just made a huge ball of slime. Check it out.
Hey guys, I made a bunch of slime today. It's so big, I barely even hold it.
Side.
What?
Other side.
Oh man. Whoa. No! Got it. See, it's so hard. No, slide.
Save it. It's so oozy.
I can't even fit it.
We can't contain it. We can't contain the slime.
Oh, I'm gonna try to make it into a birdie, so I'll take like that. And I'll try to hold it. Oh yeah, Dad, you try to hold it. You say no. See, isn't that hard?
That's sticking to my hand.
Don't swap it around. Look at your clothes.
Smells like soap.
That's just shaving cream.
Clearly, I don't use shaving cream.
Whoa. And I don't really use shaving cream right here.
And I don't really shave
Because it's not supposed to go there. It's supposed to go in slime.
Hey guys, also, this is like it sounds really cool, like when you stick your fingers in. Get stuck on that. You're terrible at this. You gotta go fast.
And look at my lips.
Wow.
Dad, look at my lips.
Oh gosh. I saved your life.
Did you?
Well, I saved your pants' life.
What's up, real fans? We're gonna make the biggest slime ball ever today. Right now we've got this size slime. Now we're gonna make some even more bigger slime. And we're gonna put it in this even bigger container. And then we're gonna mix them together. Right, Tiger?
Oh, don't.
Right?
What? Is he naked?
Yes, he's naked.
Hi.
Look at it.
Get some clothes on.
Okay, so we're gonna use all of this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ooh, gooey. Gluey. So, we just dumped all the glue in the bowl. We're gonna go change Tide.
Oh.
Kippy's gonna dump the Tide in. How much?
That much. We might need a little bit more.
Tide, where'd your diaper go?
I'll be stirring and then I'll wait for
You know where it is?
after.
Shaving cream.
Now we're gonna go get changed. Well, not get changed, just put a diaper on. Because you're not dirty, you're just missing your diaper. It's not easy to change kids in here. The changing table is in the closet of the playroom. And the playroom's got toys all over the place. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty soon here. Time for the kids to clean the playroom. All right, Ty, ready to get changed? You gonna add that much more?
Yeah.
Okay. So pretty much a whole cap full when you combine them, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. What happened to your face? Did you bonk your eye? Poor little man. Look like you got in a fight. Did you get in a fight? Yeah. Oh. All right, let's get your diaper on.
Bye.
Bye. All right, I put the camera down for a minute because changing a diaper is way easier with 2 hands than it is with 1 hand. But now we're all set. Right, that guy.
Bye.
No, hi. I'm not leaving that. Toys everywhere.
Bye.
Hi. 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 There he is. Hi. All right, now we're back, and Kippy has dumped about another half cup full of Tide into the bowl. Did you do any shaving cream yet?
Nope, he didn't.
Okay, so yeah.
Shaving cream time.
We're gonna have to use all that out probably. It sounds like it's farting.
It's a cannon.
Sounds like it's farting.
That was so cool.
Yeah.
But now we're gonna have to destroy it. Okay, now we got stirring. After this, we have to play with it.
Is it fluffy?
I'm probably.
Did you use too much shaving cream?
No, this is how you're supposed to use it, but I've never done so much. Oh, Dad, do it when it's fluffy. Ready? Giant fluff.
I want to be a slime monster.
Mix, mix,
Please,
mix,
I'm
mix,
gonna
mix,
cut.
mix,
Mom.
No, just go wash it.
Oh my gosh. I just want to be.
No, you can't be sticky.
Yeah.
Wash your hands. This is my full bottle. It's almost already out. That's my full bottle. It's almost already out. Wait.
Can you make slime for me?
Whoa. Nope, we're keeping it in here.
You'll make slime for me.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to mix these soon, Dad.
Can I touch it?
Bye, keep it real, fun, real fans.
Bye, keep it real for real fans. Bye bye.
Dad,
Bye. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you want to watch more videos, click right there or right there. If you want to subscribe, if you haven't already, click the circular button right down there.
Bye. Bye.
Maybe I need this.
You don't have to point. I'm going to do the editing thing in the video.
Bye bye.
Do the magic fingers.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Dabba-dee.
Dabba-dee.